Hello students, yesterday we have studied about the tools which are used for sowing the seeds. Now today we are going to study next agriculture implement, that is adding manure and fertilizers. Now what are manure and what are fertilizers? The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manures and fertilizers. Means the substances which are using in the soil to form the nutrients which give healthy growth to the plants, that are said to be manures and fertilizers. Now soil supplies minerals. Soil supplies mineral and nutrients to the crop plants. These nutrients are essential for the growth of the plants. In the certain areas, farmers grow crop after crop in the same field. Sometimes what happen, farmers they grow crop after crop in the same field. The field is never left uncultivated. Means every time there is a crop, they cultivate crop there only. And this continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients because they are cultivating crop again and again. So there will be a lack of nutrients. So they have to add manures in that to replenish the soil, means to make soil fertile. They have to use nutrients in the form of manures and fertilizers. And this process is called manuring. This process is called manuring. Now, if proper fertilizers are not there, then there will be a insufficient manuring results and plants will be weak. Plants will be weak. Now, what is manure? You can form a question here also. That is, what is manure? Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants or animal waste. Means it is formed by the waste of plants and animals. What they do, how to make manure? For making the manure, farmers dump plant and animal waste in the pits at open places, and also it to decompose. What they dig pits there, and they collect the waste of plant and animal there on that open places and let it for some time. In that, after some time, what will happen? Some of the microorganisms will arise in that, and this decomposed matter is used as organic manure, and this is used as organic manure. And we have studied about composting in earlier classes also. Now we can do an activity. We will take moong or gram seeds and let them germinate for some time. Then we have to take three type of seedlings which are to be grown. Take three empty glasses. We have to take three empty glasses and we have to mark them A, B, C. To first glass, that is A, we have to add little amount of soil which is mixed with a little cow dung manure. Means we have to mix some of the cow dung manure in that. And in the second glass, that is B, we have to put same amount of soil mixed with a little urea, little amount of soil which is mixed with a little cow dung manure. Means we have to mix some of the cow dung manure in that. And in the second glass, that is B, we have to put same amount of soil mixed with a little urea. Now we have to use urea for that. Take the same amount of soil in glass C also. We have to say take same amount of soil in glass C without anything. Means we have to, we will not add even urea or manure in that. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass. Now we have to pour water in each and every glass, and the amount should be same, and plant the seedling in them, and we have to plant the seedling in them, and we have to put it at the safest place and water it daily. After 7 to 10 days we have to observe their growth. After 7 to 10 days we have to observe the growth of that plant. What we will see? we have to see that in which class the growth is fastest. So you can see that fertilizers are chemicals. Means what if fertilizers? Firstly, we will take fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. Means fertilizers are those chemicals in which they are rich in particular nutrients. Now they are asking that how fertilizers are different from manure. Fertilizers are produced in factories. These are man-made, means these are produced in factories. Some of the examples are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, nitrogen phosphorus, and potassium. These all are fertilizers which are made in factories. And now these fertilizers are helpful for farmers to get better yield of crops. Means they can get high quality of crops. So that's why nowadays farmers are using fertilizers in the in the crops of wheat, paddy, and maize. They are using that. But excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. Means if we are using more than required amount of fertilizers, again if we are using fertilizers, then it will make the soil less fertile. Means we can't grow the proper crop there. Now fertilizers, because they are made in factories and they are made with chemicals, so they are the big source of water pollution also. These fertilizers are source of water pollution. So therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to use organic manures. That are organic manures, means which are made from dead plants and animals waste, so that we can get the good yield of crop. The use of manure improves soil. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. Means manure has a quality to form a good texture of soil as well as it can retain, means it can hold too much water in it. So we should use more and more manure to get the good yield of crop. Now another method of replenishing of the soil with nutrient is called crop rotation. Means in different season, different crops should be grown on one field. That is said to be crop rotation. And this can be done by growing different crops alternately. Means one time we have grown one crop, another crop next time. Like that we have to grow the crops. Now earlier farmers in northern India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. Means in the northern India farmers were using one year they are growing legumes as fodder, and in another season they were growing wheat in the next season. This helps in replenishment of the soil with nitrogen, so that the soil became more fertile. And nowadays farmers are encouraged to do like that only, so that they can get good yield of crop. Now we have heard about the rhizobium bacteria. In earlier classes we have studied about the rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the nodules of roots of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants means these are present in the nodules of the leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen, and these leguminous plants, they fix atmospheric nitrogen. Leguminous plants, one example I can give you, that is pea, beans. These all are leguminous plants. Now I will tell you some of the differences between fertilizers and manure. What are fertilizers and manure? We have studied just now that fertilizers is a man-made inorganic salt. Fertilizers is a man-made inorganic salt, and manure is a natural substance obtained from the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residue. Means this is manure is organic and fertilizer are made of by man only. Fertilizers is prepared in factories. Fertilizers is prepared in factories, and manures, these are prepared in the fields. Now fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil, and these manures provide humus to the soil, means humus is a very fertile soil. And fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. It have too much phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, and manure is relatively rich in plant and nutrients.